Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Reverso context app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign. You go above this sign, click on it here. You just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. You just click here on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to clipboard instant here translation. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.